SIM swapping, also known as number porting, lets you transfer your existing phone number to Straight Talk without losing it. This means you can switch to Straight Talk's network, which uses Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile towers, and keep your current number. Straight Talk now uses stricter verification methods, like multi-factor authentication, MFA, to enhance security and prevent fraud. You'll often need to use app-based codes or biometric checks during the process. Also, Straight Talk now offers an online portal to start the porting process through their website or app, which can speed up the activation time. eSIMs are also supported on newer devices like iPhone 15 Plus or Samsung Galaxy S24, making the process even quicker. To successfully swap your SIM, first gather your current carrier's account number, PIN, and porting authorization code. Choose a Straight Talk plan and purchase a SIM kit if necessary. Initiate the porting process through Straight Talk's website, app, or by calling customer service. Provide your old carrier details, phone number, and new SIM information. After submitting the request, insert the new SIM card and wait for confirmation via text or email. Wait for confirmation and test your number to ensure everything is working correctly. The entire process is free, but keep in mind that it might temporarily disable your old line, and full activation typically takes 1 to 3 business days.